How to fix Sidify Music Converter for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a sample script file to uninstall Sidify Music Converter for Mac. #bin/bash #stop the Sidify Music Converter app if it's running echo stopping Sidify Music Converter app osascript #app Sidify Music Converter #remove the Sidify Music Converter app and its support files echo removing Sidify Music Converter app and support files. rmrf/application/Sidify/music/converter.app rmrf/library/application/support/Sidify/music/converter rmrf/library/caches/com/Sidify.Sidify-Music-Converter rmrf/library/preferences/com/Sidify.Sidify-Music-Converter.plist echo Sidify Music Converter has been uninstalled. To use the script, simply save it as a .sh file on your Mac and run it in the terminal using the command /filename.sh. Please note that this script will remove all traces of Sidify Music Converter from your Mac, so make sure to back up any important data before running it. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.